What is up, my friends? So today we're going to be working on an Xbox One Series X. We got a bad HDMI port, but let's look into it. Oh yeah. Looks like we got a bent pin right there. Flip it around. Deadsville. So let's bring it back to life. Alright. So we got the other HDMI port ready to go, ready to rock and roll. So whenever we change parts, make sure you look at the new parts. Make sure you look at the old part. They look pretty much the same to me. Okay, what I like to do is, oh, the joints are nice. Too bad. What I like to do is going to add a little bit of flux. We're going to get our fume extractor ready because I don't want to be breathing in these fumes. And like always, pretty standard. Put some of that leaded solder in there. Gotta be beautiful. Because remember, we're just taking this off. Oh, what happened there? So let's turn our board around. So this new solder wick I'm using today is brought to you by... Oh, he's not sponsoring me. Yeah, but you know I love to help people out. Northridge Fix. Yeah, they helped me out get the solder wick. It's really nice. Really like it a lot. And since I burned myself holding solder wick so much, we're gonna wear a glove. Microscope out of the way. Put my glove on. While I hold the solder wick in my left hand. Here's my solder wick. that all out there. I want to make this solder wick all those T1000 juices gotta come out. Love that movie. Gotta be careful with that little, what is that? Is that a fuse? What is that? Yeah, I think it's a fuse. It's definitely not a cap. Okay. Come on, Terminator. Come here. No! Ha. My CPU is a neural net processor. Learning computer. Come on, Sean Connery! Come on! Kill me! Oh. Then you got Robert Patrick, the frickin' crazy guy that's just always chasing them. Yeah, that guy's a character. Okay. Gotta turn my station on for a little bit. I was like, is this hot? No, it's not hot. Alright, that was my smaller nozzle. So whenever we're taking off HDMI ports, any kind of heat sinks, or always use max heat, max air, biggest nozzle. That's right. Luckily, it was only for a few seconds, but my smoke detector did go off, so I might just be able to use the solder wick, just take it off completely. Those remaining, what is that? What is that? I'm not familiar with that. Huh. That's interesting. I mean, I've done a lot of HDMI port repairs, but I've never done the HDMI port repair on an Xbox One Series X. This is still fairly a new machine, but huh. Interesting. Dig too far deep in there because I don't want it to go through the board. But that was unexpected. I was not expecting that. Gotta be careful, that little fuse over there. Make sure we don't hit it. See that smoke going into my fume extractor. Look at that. Look how much, look at all that I would be breathing in right now. But because I have a good fume extractor, none of it goes to my lungs. And that's the way you want it. That's the way you want the cookie to crumble. That's the way that Trilix Fix cookie crumbles. It's a big cookie. Hedgehog needs part of that cookie. Our little mascot, the Trilix Fix Hedgehog. Yeah. Okay, now it's all gone. That little, whatever that was, piece of strange plastic. Rogue plastic. Wonder if I see it on the actual port. It would have been like over here in that area. Nope. I don't know. Can't tell you. All I know, it's not beneficial. It's not essential. Let's clean this up. Because I know it's burnt flux, but I don't want the flux to get so much more burnt that it's so much more of a mission to take off. So you don't want it to be burning, caked on, so yeah, it's a good thing to take your flux off as soon as it just gets a little bit burnt. Wait a second. Oh no, that's a resistor. It's a resistor, not a fuse. My bad, guys. Yeah, because I'm looking at these. These are totally resistors. They start with E. And that's E, so yeah, it's a resistor. It's just not the most common looking resistor I always see. That's all. Still a resistor. Just kidding! Still kind of want to get that off there. Is it plastic or? Yeah, I ordered like 10 of these, so they're coming in the mail. That's like the last of what I have of this chisel tip. Oh man, I exposed a little bit of trace. Now I've done it. Now I've done it. Gonna have to put some conformal coating on there because I don't want something to short out. Oh, wait a second. No, I don't need to do that because that part's ground either way. Yeah, this is all ground. Oh, good. Never mind. Don't need to do that. Yeah, see? You see that? I see this right here. Right here is ground. And the first layer on this board is also ground, and that's totally the first layer. So, that's fine. really hope that pin didn't go back in there. I really hope that didn't happen. Compare it with the other one. Doesn't look like it has any doubles. Sometimes there's like some ports where they have like 2 of them. Okay, let's just move to the side a little. So before I solder it on, I'm going to check continuity between those two. So there shouldn't be any continuity, because that's ground, I believe. And this one's some line here. Yeah, see, my other one of these broke. So I think it's going to come in tomorrow. Luckily, there's no continuity between those two, so that is totally correct. I was just kind of hoping it didn't get like bent over and inside it, because then it's like me heating it up and everything was for nothing, because I got to pull it off again. But no, everything looks great. I'm just going to align those pins a little bit better and continue the repair. Tip is looking a little oxidized, so I'm gonna put this tip refresher on it. I don't know if you guys see it. Wow, it looks massive on here. Let me show you on the camera. Okay, tip refresher. Without the sounds. Can you hear it? Spicy. Let's do that again. Who says repairs can't be fun? think one of those two might be lifting up on the right. Just before I test everything, I just want to put those down so I'm like more sure that they're down. Okay, that one's down. Remember that pin is a little bit bent. It's not like my other repairs where the pins go perfectly on the pads. These ones I had to move them around a little. I'm sure the guys will perfect it. People who I get my my ports from. Probably because it's such a new machine. I think somebody was even telling me the other day, I can't even buy this machine right now. The Xbox One Series X. It's kind of scarce, kind of hard to find. And I know that's the case with the PS5s, for sure. Okay. I'm just gonna check all those pins. Check that there's no continuity between them. But first I'm going to check for any movement. No movement. Up, that one. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah. 7, 10. Oh, it's almost coming off. So I want to move that one too a little bit. least everybody watching knows that I really take a lot of effort and pride into making these repairs work, making them work, really. Gotta work with the big one. And while I'm doing this, I'm always also gonna check this. That's probably what I should have done. Maybe I didn't think about it because I have this big one. Okay. Make sure we don't hear a beep like that, and we should be good. Let's not be that unlucky today. Something is going on there. The last one. I don't see the solder joint. A lot of times I see it. Fixed it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my soldering tweezers. Could have fixed it. Ah, I fixed it. Right? Ah, yeah. See? Nothing. All right. That is cool. Yeah, it was that little crap right there. Man. Alright, everybody, now back to our regularly scheduled program. This repair has been a little bit unlucky. But it's okay, because we learn more from what we don't fix. But then I fix it again, so you know. Yeah. Man, what a day. Alright, perfect. Let's get those ground pads on and this thing is done. Yeah, baby. Made such a mess here. You know, I'm going to take it off. You know why? Because when you put this case back together, I don't want it to like not sit right, just because of that excess solder. So I'll get it all liquidy and get it off. Okay, that looks pretty flush. So I had to remove that excess solder on the plane right there. start doing our gaming. I know that doesn't look pretty. I know you guys are gonna say that's not pretty. That doesn't look nice, dude. Who cares, man? This part is the part that matters the most. That's what matters. Okay, this needs to be flush. I get some little bit of solder there. That's no big deal, dude. Come on. Get over yourselves. Okay, so it's time to just plug this back in and see if it all worked out. And that's actually better than factory, because leaded solder is what they use in the military and aviation, so it's going to be super stuck on there. Nothing's going to knock it off. Let's fast forward all the parts where I had to put this mother back together and plug it in, okay? Alright, we put everything back together. Let's plug in power. Moment of truth. That's a good sign. There we go. That's how we do it, baby. Well, thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. Have a good one. Bye-bye.